Folks, in this video, I'm going to teach you the absolute #1 hack in order to protect your hard-earned money. So let me ask you something. We all use these things right here, our debit card, right? That's where our money's at. It's locked away, safe in our bank, and then nobody wants to go down to the bank to actually get cash out, so we're all using these debit cards. The problem is, I know that each and every one of us has been hacked before. You know what I'm talking about. You wake up one morning, you find out, where's my money? There's $300 charge on your debit account. You look and you realize someone in New Jersey bought a set of tires, or someone in China bought a video game, or whatever. All you know is that your money is gone. Guys, that happens to everybody. And it's happening more and more as time goes on with technology these days. Now, when that does happen, you know that we typically get our money back. We just have to go to the bank. We have to tell them that our card was hacked. Many times they make you file a police report. But here's the key factor. There's a period of time when your money is gone, and you might get your money back in a day. We've seen people go as long as 3 months without getting their money back. So how do we prevent this? Let me teach you. This is the best way to protect your finances. #1, I'm talking about cash transactions here. Remember, if there's anything that we can buy online or out in the community with a credit card, this is what you should be using, a credit card. Now, which credit card? That's for a different video to figure out which credit card should I be using. But if we put everything on a credit card, whose money is this? This isn't my money. This is Citibank's money. This is a Citi credit card. This is a really good card here. But whose money is this? It's not my money. And all credit cards have 100% fraud protection. If your card gets hacked, you simply just call them and say, my card has been hacked, and they give you the money back instantly, because it's their money anyway. But that's not the case with a debit card, as just explained. A debit card, this is your hard-earned money. Now, this is my main account. This is where I take all my money. This is a local bank here in my town. And let's just say I have $5,000 in that account. That's my money. If I need any cash for, maybe I'm going to my son's football game, or for whatever reason I need a little bit of cash on my pocket, I can't get cash off of my credit card, so I have no choice, I have to use my debit card. The problem is when you stick that debit card into a machine, an ATM or anywhere, that's a loophole right into your money. We want to avoid doing that. So by following our system, we can help you prevent that from ever happening. What we have here is a backup debit account. Now this card right here is SoFi, and I'm going to explain a little bit about this card. This card right here has so many advantages. This is another debit account. It's not a credit card. So what we do is I'll transfer, say, $200 or $300 over on this card, and anytime I need cash out, this is the card that I'll stick in the machine. Because then if it gets hacked, I've only put $200 or $300 at risk. But let me just talk to you about this particular card. This is at SoFi.com. And in the video description down here, there's going to be a link. So if you like what you're hearing here, click on the link below to apply, because we do get credit for signing people up. But we found this card a couple years ago, and let me tell you the advantages of using this card. #1, the card is backed by FDIC, so it is FDIC insured. And not only is it just a debit card, this thing has a peer-to-peer feature, kind of like PayPal. You can actually transfer money instantly from this card right to your friends. Also, it helps you monitor your credit score. Now, it's a Vantage score, it's not a FICO score, but when you download the app, you can check your credit on this debit account app anytime you want. Also, you can invest and buy crypto and buy stocks right through the same app. And also, it helps you with budgeting. It has these things called vaults. So if you put $400 in there and you want to save, say, 20 bucks a week for vacation, or 20 bucks a week for car maintenance, you can create these vaults and it'll help you budget your money. And also it has a whole bunch of blogs on there about finance and budgeting and credit. Guys, we love this card right here. And the best benefit of all of having this card is it refunds all ATM fees anywhere in the world. Say goodbye to paying $1, $2, and $3 for taking your money out of your account. Now, technically, you could do this with any backup debit card. You don't have to use this card, but this card is really good, and we endorse this card. Guys, if you're sticking your debit card in the machine, okay, you should not be doing that. You're putting your hard-earned money at risk, all right? Also, keep note, a lot of banks now, they do not refund any money that is hacked in another country. What I mean, my bank actually, if your card gets hacked when you're in Mexico, they will not pay you back that money. So again, your money is too valuable. Use a credit card for everything. Pay it off on Friday so you don't pay any interest. And if you have to have cash, sign up for this account right here. Also, right now, currently, if you do sign up for this account and put $500 into it, they're gonna give you $50 for free, okay? It's free, guys. Sign up for the account with the link below, fund it with $500, and they'll give you $50 for free. Now, those bonuses do change all the time. At this time, that's what the bonus is. Guys, this is advice that we give every single client that comes in. This is one of the first steps that we help our clients with. So if you like this information, share this information with your friends, your families, so we can get this information out to other people. Guys, and check out our full library of videos at bnbcreditbuilders.com. We help folks with anything from budgeting to building or repairing credit and even building business credit.